Hello everyone, so today I will share how to make a volleyball photo collage template design in Canva. So this tutorial is requested by one of my channel subscribers, and the person left a comment in this language and I don't understand this language, and even main problem in my channel which I don't know is that it translates to Bangla, which is a regional language here, but even I don't understand that only. So I need to copy that comment and I moved it into Google Translate, and here I pasted it. So it said that, hi, that's beautiful, could you make it with a volleyball? So it was a soccer ball photo collage design, and the person requested to make the volleyball. So let's start with it. So I have chosen a volleyball design which is which says volleyball icon, so which you can find easily by just typing here volleyball icon. Okay, here. So I will just bring it here. So the canvas which I am using is 36 by 24 inches. Okay, and this is a ideal size to maintain for this making of photo collage. So now I will change the color of this to black. So not any other color will work. So the proper black color is needed to make this photo collage. And as you can see, you just can't download a icon or an element directly from Canva, even it is free or pro. Okay, so to download it, you have to use another element. So for that I am using a star element. So I am using this one, and I will just paste it in the side and make it as small as I can and just move it in the side, and after that I will just rename it as volleyball. Okay, and after that I will just click on share, click on download, and make sure it is in PNG and no other changes is required. Just click on download. So now I will come to picsvg.com, which is a free SVG converter, as you can see in here, and I will click on upload a picture and just upload the picture here. And after scrolling down, you will find that here the SVG is coming like this. So you have to work on these changes here. So in filters, you just click on Edge 2 and you will find so many options here. Just click on internal 3 and you will get the same option like this, and click on download SVG. Now one more thing we have to do, which is that let's come back to Canva, and after that click on add page and just use any background color. For example, we are using this green color, and just download it. Click on share, click on download, make sure this is also in PNG, and just click on download. Make sure you just download the page 2 now, because page 1 is already downloaded, so you don't need to download that. Click on page 2 and download it. Now if you don't want to do all the hard work, I have just made your work easier, because you can now just purchase the template at just $1. So this is the tutorial which I am teaching you currently, and this is style 2, as I have previously made another design of the volleyball which is the style 1, and you can just get these two at $1 each, and this one which is a single photo collage, this is also for $1, is 2026 one for $2, and the volley frame design, this is for $3, and the senior one is also for $3. So you can just download or purchase it from my website, and the purchase link of this will be in the description, and you can just find the link and purchase it from my website. So let's move to the next part of this tutorial. Now I will come to photopea.com, which is a free version of Photoshop, and this time I will click on open from computer, and I will open the SVG file which I have just converted from picsvg.com. Okay, so I will remove this star layer which is not needed for us. So I will use this layer and just right click it and delete it, because it is not required, and I will move it the cursor to the above layer, and after that click on file, click on open and place, and this time just download the green color background layer which I have created from Canva. Okay, and after that I will just make it bigger, and after that I will use the clipping mask here, and after that I will just duplicate it and use it one by one in the individual layers. Okay, so all the layers are done here. So now you have to click on file, click on save as PSD. Okay, and just click on save, and it is saving here. So it is saved, as you can see in here, so we don't require it now. Now we will come back to Canva here, and just upload, click on uploads, and just upload the Photoshop document file. So as you can see, it is uploaded. So I will click on add page and just remove the green color background because it is not required for us. So I will just click on it and bring it in the canvas, and after that I will just select any layer and click on layer, show layer. So in behind every layer there is a black color layer, as you can see in here. So I will just remove all the black color layers, and now we were left with only the green color layer. So I will just select any layer and just click on backspace to remove the layer and reveal the image frame or the template part. Okay, now I will share how to add pictures in this frame. So for that I will just duplicate it here, and after that I will just write here volleyball players, and after that click on photos, click on see all, and use suitable pictures for our design. And let's use this one, and I will place it here, and you can rotate it according to your requirement and just make it smaller or bigger. So like this. Let's do for the next one. So let's bring this image in this part, and again you can rotate it. Next, let's try this one. Now let's try this one, and I will just bring it here, and let's try this one. Okay, so here is the collage part, and after that you can just download it by clicking on share, click on download. Make sure you can just download it on PNG, or you can download it as, if you want to just print it, you can just download it as PDF print. And if you are printing the file, it's best to use the CMYK version and choose the current page and click on download, because you have to maintain the color part So the best way to download is this CMYK version. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any question regarding this tutorial, please let me know in the comments, and I will be happy to help you out in this process. And you can also comment in this video about which tutorial we can make next, and I will be happy to make the tutorial for you. Thank you.